Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create an event planning website using Shopify. First, be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, you're going to go over here to the product section and we're going to click on add product. Here we're going to start uploading all of the products that we're going to have on our online store. For example, I'm going to start with my kids' birthday party. Now what I'm going to do is first I'm going to we're going to copy our title, and over here on the description we are going to click on generate text and we're going to paste our title. Here we're going to click on generate so that Shopify uses its built-in AI to generate a description for us. Now we can either choose to generate a description again or just click here to keep the one we already have. Next we're going to have the media section. Here we are going to click on upload new and we are going to select an image for our product. For example, I'm going to select this one, and while it's processing, here you can see that below it we are going to have category section and Shopify is going to select an automatic category for us. Usually it's going to be correct, but if we want we can click over here to change it to whichever one we like. On the right we are going to have the product type, vendor, collections and tags section. Here for collections, make sure you add your product to your homepage, and here for tags we can put, for example, event planner. Over here we are also going to have the pricing section. For example, let's say that I'm going to charge around 40,000 pesos for my kids birthday party planning, and my cost per item is going to be around 30,000 pesos. It's going to give us a 10,000 pesos profit at a 25% margin of profit. For inventory, I'm just going to check this because we're not going to keep track of it. And here we also have a weight section in case we're going to do any kind of shipping, to assign a weight to our product. Once we are done customizing our product, we are going to click on save over here, and as you can see, if we go back, we would have our first product uploaded. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want in my store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. As you can see, I have finished uploading all of the products that I want in my store. For example, I have added a wedding planning, a Halloween party planning, and a gender reveal party planning. So next we are going to go to our online store and we're going to start to customize our website. The first thing that we're going to be able to change is going to be our theme. You can see if we go down, we're going to have a couple of free themes that Shopify is going to provide us with. But if we want to see more of them, we can go over here to visit theme store, and it's going to redirect us to the Shopify theme store, where we are going to be able to see a lot more themes. Some of these themes may better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, we are going to click on customize, and here we are going to have a lot of different sections that are going to be outlined by a blue line, just like this, and that we're going to be able to customize. On the top left, the name of the section that we are selecting is going to appear, and here on the right we are going to have a lot of different options to customize it. For example, this is our image banner, so we're going to click on over here and select to select an image for our banner. Once it's done uploading, we're going to click over here on done, and as you can see, the image of our banner is going to change. Next, we're going to click over here on our heading, and we're going to change the text to, for example, welcome to my event planning website. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here to template and we're going to click on add section. Here we're going to have a lot of different options to add. For example, we're going to have a featured collection, featured product, collections list, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and as you can see here at the bottom, a new section is going to appear. At the very top right, we're going to be able to select a product to be displayed. For example, I'm going to choose my wedding planning service. As you can see, now this product is going to be displayed right here on our new section. And let's say that we want to change the theme of this section real quick. For example, I'm going to change the color scheme to a dark tone. As you can see, the background has now changed. Now let's say that we also have added a new collection by mistake. For example, a featured collection. As you can see, the new section has appeared again at the very bottom. And once we have this section selected, if we want to delete it, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here on remove section. We're going to click it and the new section is going to be removed. If we so wanted, we can also add sections to our footer. We can add an email sign up or a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. We can also add a custom liquid and we can add an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is that right over here our store name is going to be displayed. So if we want to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to click over here to save our changes, and we're going to go back and to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store, name store, and here we're going to be able to change our store's name. Just going to put event planning, and once we click save, our store name should be changed. But in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go back to our online store, and here we're going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see here on our header, the store name has now changed. If we go down, we can make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. And once we have finished checking up our website, we are going to go over here to the analytics and marketing section. Now guys, this is going to be a really important section for us because we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of different things which are going to be really helpful for us in order to maintain, sustain, manage, and customize our website all from the same. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we click on add discount, we are going to choose an amount of products. We are going to be able to customize our own discount for our store. Here we can choose the code for the discount. For example, we can choose event 101, or if we click over here, Shopify, it is just going to give us a random code for us. Here we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage. We're going to choose a percentage, and it's going to be around a 10% discount. Below it, we're going to be able to choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. So if we click on browse, we're going to choose the products on our homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have further options to customize our discount, such as, for example, if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and also here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 27th, and once you are done customizing your discount, we are going to click over here on save it, and if we go back, you can see that we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.